Hi there, it's Nancy. Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments, my 2 to 3 minute podcast. I wanted to share with you today something that Christopher Penn, and Christopher is one of my favorite minds, favorite brilliant minds in so many areas: marketing technology, artificial intelligence. And I had the good fortune of first being exposed to him at Social Media Marketing World, gosh, a lot of years ago, and was so impressed with him. And he posted about this on LinkedIn yesterday. He talked about that one of the best things that we can do when we prompt general artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT, CoPilot, you name it, Claude, Perplexity, all of them, is that we can, when we are prompting it, meaning when we're giving it instructions and asking it for something that we want it to generate, then what we need to do is to talk to it and say, ask me one question at a time until you completely understand what it is I need for you to do. Now, I'm paraphrasing Christopher. I'm not reading his post word for word, but that's the gist of it because, as Christopher said, artificial intelligence, the generative AI tools have been developed so that they're supposed to be harmless and they want to be helpful and they want to be honest. And if they don't have all the information from us, then, as Christopher said, what they'll do is they'll go out and just grab something because they are there to predict the next logical word in their output. And that's when they can start making stuff up. So ask them to ask you one question at a time until it completely understands. And as Christopher said, you'll get a much better response from it, which is great. And then I like this other thought from Christopher. He said it also trains us to think better because we have to answer these questions, to be sharper about things, to anticipate questions that we're going to be asked the next time, and actually in real life too, not just from generative AI tools. And that's always a good thing. I know when I've used some custom GPTs and they are built so that they ask me a series of questions about me and my business, I've had to think very hard to put into words things that just sit in my brain. So kudos to Christopher Penn for posting this. I just wanted to plant that seed with you and give it a try. Because I think it'll make us all, and as Christopher said, better delegators as well. I know I feel like a better delegator because of my conversations that I've had. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm at Nancy@myrlandmarketing.com, and that's MYRLAND marketing.com. All right, talk to you next time. Bye-bye.